Today I'm going to show you how to use a symmetric tool. Okay, first create a canvas and set a symmetry. And then go to action, this first one, and go to canvas. See, and then go to drawing guide. Turn on it. Okay, and then we will see a lot square, but still not finished yet. We will click edit, drawing guide, click it, and then you will see the option. This is how to adjust the color of this canvas. And what we want to do symmetry, so it's here. Click it, and then adjust opacity about 50 and thickness about 60 is fine. And then click options and make sure it's vertical. That here vertical, because we are going to draw like a butterfly. We want to make it vertical, and yet as it is drawing. Open this one. Okay. And then we're done. Click now. See, when you draw, it will work. Everything symmetry. You draw just one side, and another side just copy. Okay, so one more thing, still not finished. For the layer that it turn on symmetry, under the layer name it will show the word assisted. That means this layer turn on symmetry. But if you create a new layer like this, you see, it doesn't have the word assisted. That means when you draw something at layer 2, it's just one side. It doesn't copy. So, but you can turn on the assisted for layer 2. Just click at the this position, and then it will show this option, and you can click drawing assist this line. Okay, and then now you can draw symmetry. Let me show you. See? Okay, we can start to draw now. I'm going to draw a moth. Please observe, I draw just one side. Okay, we can start to paint now. I'm going to show you how to import the colors from the photo library. Click color, then click plus button, and then select new from photos, and then select the photo that you want to import. The new set of the color will show on the very top. Okay, mostly I use watercolor brushes. I still paint just one side because it is still in the symmetry set. adding small lines, like we are adding the textures. It looks more interesting.